Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you two powerful methods to fix the extended attributes are inconsistent error in Windows 11, Windows 10, or even older versions permanently. This error usually appears while signing in, opening system tools, or launching administrative apps. Let's fix it completely without creating a new account. First, click on the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If Windows blocks it, press Ctrl+, Shift+, ESC to open Task Manager, click File, Run New Task, type CMD, and check Create this task with administrative privileges. Now type the following commands carefully, one by one. This scans your entire system for corrupted files and replaces them automatically. Wait until it reaches 100%. Once completed, type this next command. After both commands finish, restart your PC. You'll already notice stability improving, but don't stop here. Now, open File Explorer. Right-click your system drive, usually C. Select Properties, go to the Security tab, and click Advanced. Here, make sure your username has full control. If not, click Change Permissions. Add. Select a principal. Type your username, check names, then enable full control. Apply. OK? This ensures Windows can access its own system attributes without mismatched permissions. Now, we'll fix it at the user attribute level. No account recreation needed. Press Windows +R. Type regedit and hit Enter. This opens the registry editor. Before editing, click File. Export to back up your registry. Always do this first. Then go to this path. On the right side, find the key named Shell. Double-click it and make sure the value data is exactly Explorer XE. If it's blank or replaced by anything else, correct it and press OK. Now go back and navigate to. In this section, look for Enable LUA. Double-click it and set its value to 1. This re-enables proper user access control synchronization with Windows Shell attributes. Close Registry Editor and restart your system. After reboot, the login should load perfectly without any black screen, admin errors, or inconsistent attribute prompts. Everything, Task Manager, Command Prompt, Control Panel, should now open normally. If this helped you, give the video a like and share it with someone struggling with the same issue. Subscribe for more advanced Windows fixes. No fluff, only working solutions.